Welcome to a quick guide on marking a community as unread on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you're juggling multiple communities, this little trick helps you peek later without losing track of conversations. Start by opening WhatsApp Web in your preferred browser and sign in if you're not already connected. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen where your chats and communities are listed. The new update brings a dedicated communities icon into this left-hand menu, so you'll want to click that first to access all your groups in one place. After clicking the communities icon, you'll see a curated list of all communities you're part of. Scroll through until you find the specific community you want to mark as unread. This is the same area where you'd normally click to open a chat, but today we're focusing on the unread marking feature. Now, for the key step, right-click on the community name. A small context menu will appear with several options. Among these, look for in select mark as unread. By choosing this, WhatsApp Web will place a distinguishing unread badge on that community, signaling that you have something to check later. This is especially handy if you're waiting for a message or want to revisit important updates. Without fully opening the thread, if you don't see the mark as unread option right away, there might be a slight UI variation depending on your browser or the exact version of WhatsApp Web you're using. In that case, try right-clicking again on a slightly different area of the community entry or ensure your browser is up to date. You can also check for any related More Options submenu, which sometimes houses the unread action. A quick tip, use this feature sparingly. Marking too many communities as unread can clutter your inbox and make it harder to locate genuinely important messages. Instead, pair unread marks with color-coded labels or a brief mental note to distinguish high-priority communities from those you'll revisit later. If you're managing a lot of communities, you might consider consolidating actions. Mark essential communities as unread, then periodically review and clear the badges to keep your workspace tidy. This approach helps maintain focus and reduces the chance of missing time-sensitive updates. That's the streamlined process for marking a community as unread on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update.